Hey, it's Sammy on April 21st. We took 8 trades today in YM or Dow Futures for 280 points. Let's take a look and see how everything played out. The overnight session dropped a ton. We have our signature soda reversal process playing out here. We're a little bit late because it's pre-market hours, kind of early in the morning. We're still going to jump in this trade here. We got plenty of data to take us long. Because we're pre-open, we've got that stop loss set at break even to protect our equity and our psychology. This trade punches up, we're going to just lock in 35 points. Now this is about an hour later, a little more than an hour later, we are back and we have short time frame data. You can see VPOC has shifted down here. We're still below that VWAP area. We're going to re-enter this long again on short time frame data only. We've already got that trade protected with that stop loss into that break-even position. Now, as we're stumbling around volume point of control, we're just going to lock in 20 points. Okay, on either side of volume point of control, we have break zones clearly identified. You can see we're looking at a trend line as well right here. We're taking this long trade now just prior to pre-market open. We've got a lot of stuff on short time frames flipping over in our favor. You can see the momentum, sentiment, multiple volatility breaks. We're just going to go up here. We've got our trade protected. And as this trade's hitting right in this zone, we're going to lock in 52 points. This is the short zone now. The power of real-time momentum, sentiment, and volatility is all that data flipped back over. We are going through the short breakout now. As we're testing the value area low and deviation 1, we're just going to lock in 52 more points. You can see we're really consolidated here, the minus 23.6 Fibonacci, the overnight low, the support level, deviation 1. We're growing a lot of momentum sentiment to get through this level and take this short again. Now this is a GAN level down here. This is GAN level number 6. We're actually going to go ahead and lock in 34 points as we're struggling to get through the overnight low in this GAN level. You can see the market is really sticky right here. We're going to try one more time. We got a lot of momentum. We got a lot of sentiment. Let's see if we can't get through this very, very strong level of support. Now, when we're trying to get through these very incredibly sticky levels, what we end up doing is we usually bring our stop loss down to break even so we can protect that trade and stay in the zone and find the next opportunity. You can see we're up 30 points, but this is a very sticky floor. We come back and we have a break even. Now our sentiment's dropping into what we call power bands. So now we're actually really know we're going to punch through this level. You can see how price has stayed below the overnight low, and now we're going to try and jam through this deviation 2 short all the way down. You can see we punched through that yellow line, deviation 2. We're really sticky on it though, so we're just going to be conservative and lock in 35 points here. All right, now if you look at that 15-minute, 30-minute, and 1-hour momentum, we are in excessive momentum at this point. Now we're going to break through this deviation 2. We're in this trade. We're going to go down to that next deviation level. As we're punching through here, this is a GAN level 7. We're just going to lock in 52 points. This trade just kept dropping and dropping the rest of the day. But when we win consistently, we never fear leaving money on the table.